Join me as I take on the challenge of breaking down what CI/CD pipelines are and how they actually work, all in under 10 minutes. In today's fast-paced software development landscape, delivering high-quality software quickly and efficiently is crucial. This is where CI/CD pipelines come into play. They are essential tools that have revolutionized the way teams develop, test, and deploy software. One of the biggest pain points in software development is long release cycles. Spend months working on a feature only to have it delayed again and again. And then there are those picky bugs that make it to production, causing frustration for both the teams and the end users. These issues can be a major headache, but what if I told you there's a way to minimize them? These problems are more common than you think. Many teams struggle with manual testing, lengthy deployment process, and a general lack of visibility into their pipeline. But what if you could automate most of these tasks, freeing up your team to focus on what matters the most, and that is delivering awesome software? The consequences of not addressing these issues can be severe. Delays in releasing new features can lead to a loss of competitive edge, while bugs in production can damage your reputation and erode users' trust. It's a high-stakes game, but one that can be improved with the right approach. So what causes these problems? Often it's lack of automation, inadequate testing, and a general lack of cohesion between development and operations teams. But there's a solution that can help alleviate these problems. A CI/CD pipeline is made up of three main components: continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. Continuous integration is all about automatically building and testing your code every time a change is made. This helps catch bugs early on so you can fix them before they become major issues. Continuous delivery takes it a step further by automating the deployment process, so your software is always up to date. And continuous deployment, that's where your code changes are automatically deployed to production, giving you a super fast time to market. But how do these components work together? Imagine you have a team of developers working on a project. Each time they make a change, the code is automatically built and tested. If everything looks good, then it's deployed to a staging environment for further testing. All the checks pass, the code is then deployed to production. This streamlined process saves time, reduces error, and makes life easier for everyone involved. The benefits of a CI/CD pipeline are clear, but what does it look like in a real world? Let's take a look at a company that implemented a CI/CD pipeline and saw some amazing results. They were able to reduce their deployment time from days to just a few hours, while also decreasing bugs in production by over 50%. That's pretty significant improvement. Another example is a team that used a CI/CD pipeline to automate their testing and deployment process. They were able to catch bugs earlier, reduce manual testing time, and deploy new features faster. The result? A more efficient development process and happier users, which is the most important thing. So, what can you learn from these examples? The key takeaway is that CI/CD pipelines can have a huge impact on your development process by automating tasks, reducing errors, and speeding up deployment. You can deliver high-quality software faster and more efficiently. In conclusion, CI/CD pipelines are a game changer for software development teams. By streamlining your development process, you can deliver better software faster. If you have had any experiences with CI/CD pipelines, good or bad, I would love to hear about them in comments. If you are interested in learning more about software development, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. I would love to have you join the conversation and share your thoughts on how CI/CD can improve your development workflow. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. And we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep voyaging in this digital world.